Hello and welcome.
If you're tired of looking at that thin, crinkly skin on your arms, neck, or legs and thinking, is this just how it is now? I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be. So many of us, especially after 50, start to notice this crepey texture. It feels like our skin has lost its bounce and hydration. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to fight back, and it only takes 3 minutes a day? That's right, just 3 minutes. In this video, I am going to share a dermatologist-approved routine that you can do right at home to help visibly tighten and smooth your skin. We will cover everything from a quick exercise and massage combo to the best ingredients to look for in your moisturizer. Forget expensive treatments and complicated regimens. This is about empowering you with practical, effective tips to help you feel confident and beautiful in your skin again. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started on this journey to smoother, healthier looking skin together. First things first, let's quickly understand what we're up against. What exactly is crepey skin, and why does it suddenly seem to appear after 50? Unlike wrinkles, which are usually caused by muscle movements, crepey skin is more about a loss of structure. Think of your skin's foundation. Over time, two key players, collagen and elastin, start to break down. These are the proteins that keep your skin firm and stretchy. As their production slows, the skin becomes thinner and less able to bounce back. On top of that, sun exposure over the years is a major culprit. UV rays accelerate the breakdown of collagen and elastin, leading to that fragile, paper-like texture. Another factor is dehydration. As we age, our skin's ability to retain moisture decreases. A dry skin barrier can't protect itself as well, making the crepey appearance even more noticeable, especially on areas with thinner skin like your inner arms, décolletage, and above the knees. So, it's not just one thing, but a combination of factors. The good news is that by addressing these root causes, boosting collagen, improving hydration, and increasing circulation, we can make a real, visible difference. Now, let's get to the solution. All right, here it is. The 3-minute fix that can truly transform your skin. This is a powerful 2-part routine combining a simple massage with a targeted exercise to boost circulation and stimulate collagen. Let's start with the massage. You will want to use a good moisturizer or a body oil to give your hands some slip. We'll talk about the best ingredients for that in just a moment. For now, let's focus on the technique. We're going to use a gentle pinching and lifting motion. Take a section of crepey skin, say on your upper arm, and gently pinch it between your thumb and forefinger. Hold for a second, and then release. Move along the entire area, pinching and releasing as you go. This simple action helps to stimulate blood flow to the surface and wake up those sleepy collagen-producing cells. Do this for about 1 minute on each area you want to treat. It shouldn't hurt. It should feel invigorating. After the massage, we'll move right into a quick firming exercise. For your arms, you can do arm circles or use light weights for bicep curls and tricep extensions. If you're targeting your legs, simple leg lifts or squats are fantastic. The goal is to engage the muscles right under the skin. When you build lean muscle, it acts like a natural filler, helping to plump up the skin from underneath and giving it a smoother, tighter appearance. Just 2 minutes of these targeted movements a day is all you need. So, to recap, 1 minute of gentle massage followed by 2 minutes of firming exercise. That's your 3-minute daily powerhouse routine. Now, a great massage technique needs the right partner, and in this case, that means a fantastic moisturizer. Not all lotions are created equal when it comes to tackling crepey skin. You need ingredients that are specifically designed to hydrate deeply and promote firmness. So, what should you be looking for on the label? There are 2 superstar ingredients I highly recommend. The first is hyaluronic acid. Think of it as a moisture magnet. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, pulling moisture from the air and locking it into your skin. This plumps up the skin from within, instantly making that crinkly texture less visible. It's incredibly effective at rehydrating the skin barrier and giving you that dewy, supple feel. The second powerhouse ingredient is retinoids, or its gentler over-the-counter cousin, retinol. Retinoids are a derivative of vitamin A and are famous for their ability to speed up skin cell turnover. This means they help slough off the old damaged surface cells and encourage fresh, new ones to come to the surface. More importantly, they are clinically proven to stimulate collagen production. This helps to rebuild your skin's supportive structure, making it thicker, firmer, and more resilient over time. When shopping, look for body lotions that contain either hyaluronic acid for intense hydration or a gentle retinol for firming. Using a product with these ingredients, especially during your 3-minute massage, will supercharge your results. To really maximize your efforts, it's important to build this routine into a consistent morning and evening skincare plan. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's a simple habit that makes a huge difference over time. In the morning, your focus should be on hydration and protection. After your shower, while your skin is still slightly damp, apply your moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. This is the perfect time to do your 3-minute massage and exercise combo. It gets the blood flowing and sets your skin up for the day. The most crucial final step for your morning routine is sunscreen. Sun exposure is the #1 enemy of firm skin, so applying a broad-spectrum SPF of 30 or higher to all exposed areas is non-negotiable. This protects your existing collagen and prevents further damage. Now for your evening routine. This is when your skin goes into repair mode, making it the ideal time to use more active ingredients. After cleansing, apply your retinol-based body lotion. The retinol will work overnight to accelerate cell turnover and boost collagen production while you sleep. You don't need to do the full massage and exercise routine again, just a simple application is enough. Consistency is everything. By following this simple morning and evening plan, you're giving your skin exactly what it needs 24/7 to become smoother, firmer, and healthier. While what we put on our skin is important, what we put in our bodies is just as crucial for building healthy skin from the inside out. Let's talk about some bonus anti-aging nutrients you can easily add to your diet. First up is vitamin C. It's not just for fighting colds. It's an essential antioxidant that plays a key role in collagen synthesis. Your body literally cannot produce collagen without it. You can find it in citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. Next, let's talk about healthy fats, specifically omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Omega-3 salve help to maintain the skin's lipid barrier, keeping it hydrated and strong. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can calm irritated skin. Protein is another building block you can't skip. Your skin is made of protein, so ensuring you get enough from sources like lean meats, beans, and lentils gives your body the raw materials it needs to repair and build new tissue. Finally, don't forget to drink plenty of water. Hydration is key to keeping your skin cells plump and functioning properly. When you're dehydrated, it can immediately make crepey skin look more pronounced. So aim for about 8 glasses of water a day. Nourishing your body with these nutrients complements your skincare routine perfectly, creating a powerful inside-out approach to fighting crepey skin. We've covered a lot today, from understanding the cause of crepey skin to a practical 3-minute daily fix and the best ways to support your skin through diet and skincare. My final piece of advice is simple. Be patient and be consistent. You didn't get crepey skin overnight, and it won't disappear overnight either. But by dedicating just a few minutes each day to this routine, you are making a real investment in your skin's health. Celebrate the small victories. The moment you notice your skin feels a little softer, looks a little brighter, or feels a bit firmer. This journey is about progress, not perfection. Remember to be gentle with your skin and with yourself. You are beautiful at every age, and taking care of yourself is a wonderful act of self-love. I truly hope these tips help you feel more confident and empowered. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more senior health and beauty tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.